In the ancient land of China, where tales of wisdom and wonder filled the air, there existed 3 extraordinary monks known as the traveling laughing monks. Their names were Master Jovial, Master Blissful, and Master Radiant. They roamed the vast landscapes, carrying joy and enlightenment with them wherever they went. Their unique journey began one sunny morning in a bustling market square. Master Jovial, with his booming laughter that could rival thunder, began to laugh heartily at the top of his lungs. His laughter reverberated through the market, capturing the attention of everyone around. Curious onlookers soon found themselves grinning, then chuckling, then joining in the laughter, unable to resist the infectious mirth. As the crowd's laughter grew, Master Blissful stepped forward with his soothing laughter, like a gentle stream flowing through the chaos. His laughter wrapped around people's hearts, filling them with a sense of calm and delight. The market square transformed into a sea of laughter, a shared experience that transcended differences. Finally, Master Radiant joined in, his laughter sparkling like stars in the night sky. It was a laughter that seemed to unveil hidden truths, casting a radiant light on the minds of those who heard it. As his laughter harmonized with the others, the people felt a deep sense of connection, as if they were part of something greater than themselves. From that day forward, the traveling laughing monks embarked on a journey across China. They visited villages, towns, and cities, bringing their unique brand of enlightenment through laughter. Everywhere they went, they would find a busy square, a bustling street corner, or a tranquil garden, and they would start laughing with all their might. At first, people would stop and stare, bewildered by the monks' laughter. But soon, the contagious joy would take hold. Passers-by would pause, then chuckle, then burst into laughter, drawn by the irresistible magnetism of the monks' genuine merriment. The laughter would ripple through the crowd like a joyous wave, breaking down barriers and fostering a sense of togetherness. The traveling laughing monks became legendary figures, their journey chronicled in folk songs and stories. People from all walks of life eagerly awaited their arrival, knowing that wherever they went, laughter and enlightenment would follow. The monks taught that laughter was a universal language, capable of transcending language barriers and cultural divides. As they continued their travels, the monks noticed a beautiful transformation in the communities they visited. Laughter became a bridge, bringing people closer together and helping them see the shared humanity that bound them. The simple act of laughing together created lasting connections and dissolved animosities that had persisted for generations. And so, the story of the traveling laughing monk spread far and wide, inspiring generations to embrace laughter as a powerful force for unity and understanding. Their legacy lived on in the hearts of those who had the privilege of sharing a laugh with them, a reminder that even in the most serious of times, a little laughter could make the world a brighter and more harmonious place.